Welcome to Aria Hotel Chisinau. Please come in. We are a brand new hotel in a very good location, very close to the center. You can take the bus right outside of the hotel to the city center, to the most touristic attraction. Also, you can walk till the center because it's a very safety area. Breakfast is included in most of the prices between 7 and 10:30, where you will find Moldovan traditional food, also a Western selection. Also, we have in-house restaurant where you will find great selection at a great price. We also have a bar where you will find a great selection of hot and cold drinks, where you can come to chat with your friend or to relax and have a nice drink. We also have a great selection of Moldovan wines. We are full service hotel and we can offer you business conference or party rooms with a great terrace. Welcome to the deluxe suite. Please come in. This is a premium suite, perfect for honeymoon couple to take nice pictures, and also for family with children, because they can set up the sofa for an extra bed. All our rooms has a lot of international and local TV channels, which can make our guests to feel like home away from home. Also mini bar which stocks drinks and mini snacks. This is our spacious room in our suite, where you will find a very nice view and a very large comfortable bed with fresh linens. Also, we can provide you with a room service where you can order drinks, food or anything else you need. In this premium suite, we offer bath tubes and the essential soap, shampoos and hair dryer, and the fresh clean towels included. This is the junior suite. It's also very spacious, with a corner where you can do your work. Also with a very large and comfortable bed with fresh linens, the TV, where you can relax. In every room we are offering complimentary tea and coffee, and another extra comfort, the slippers. In the junior suite we are offering clean hot shower 24 hours. This is a triple room which is very perfect for you and your friends, and with a family with the children, with a very comfortable bed and also with a mini fridge and TV to relax. We will do our best to make our guests feel comfortable. We can help you with arranging the taxi to the airport, also to arranging the taxi to another different locations. Also, we can help you to arrange city tours, to arrange different winery tours, and we can also provide you with a hotspot mobile internet connection. We hope that you will come and stay with us. It will be a pleasure for us welcoming you at Aria Hotel Chisinau, and we hope that we will have a comfortable stay with us.